When you are marketing, working online, advertising, it always falls down to data and data control. So what Facebook is offering you is collection of data of people who are most interested in what you sell or the service you render. So one of the ways that Facebook will help you do this, achieve great results, is through what we call a Facebook pixel. The Facebook pixel is a tracking device, not a device, is a piece of code and is a tracker that you put on your website, your landing page, your sales page, or wherever. What this does is that it helps you track activities of people who come to your website and returns it to Facebook for use when you want to market or when you want to run a retargeting ad. Now, for you to be able to gather this data for retargeting, you must have some sizable amount of data on your Facebook pixel. So first of all, you must have a Facebook pixel. In this video, I want to show you how you can create your Facebook pixel. So to create your Facebook pixel, you have to first come to your business account, and this is my business account as usual, business.facebook.com, and you will come to an interface like this. This is for people who probably do not know how to get here. You will come to Facebook, business.facebook.com, and that's where you access things like this. So once you are here, you come to the business tools and we look for what they call the events manager, and there it is. You can get it somewhere down here too. There it is. So you click on the events manager and you wait for it to come up, and when it comes up, it's going to let you know that there is no data source. If you have a pixel attached, you will have a data source. So now you need to connect a data source. Now you come to connect a data source. In some displays, it will outrightly show you the Facebook pixel here, but here we'll go with the web. You click on web and click on get started, and now you can see the Facebook pixel. So like it says send web events and parameters through web browsers your customers use when interacting with your website. So for everybody who comes to your website, your landing page, the activity they've carried out on your page, it will reflect on your Facebook pixel. So now you click on Facebook pixel and you click on connect. So you have to create the pixel from here. So you can name the pixel wherever you want. So we are going to name this pixel a testing pixel. Let's use texting pixel. So now you will put the website you want to use this pixel on. Of course, you must have a website or a landing page. There are some free landing page sites that can allow you use Facebook tracker on them, so you can use that too, like MailChimp, MailChimp and a host of others. So you can put your URL here or you can ignore, but we'll just ignore it for now and click on continue. So as you can see, your pixel has been created. Now it's asking you choose how you want to install this pixel code. That's how you want to install it on your website. So we'll look at that too, but now let's first look at the pixel code. So we'll have to close this. As you can see now, you now have a Facebook pixel here, and that's the pixel ID. So that is how you generate a Facebook pixel on Facebook. So you see, it's not that hard. So from here you have to go to your website and install this code on your website, a WordPress website. So from your dashboard, your login, you come to plugins, because you need a plugin to make this work. So you click on add new plugin. So from here you can search the plugin you want to use. So we are going to use a Pixel Caffeine. Pixel Caffeine. Yes, so we are going to use this first one with the T icon. So you install this, you install it, and then you activate it. So wait for it to activate. As you can see, it says Pixel Caffeine and all that, and all what it does for you. But now we're just going to set it up. So we come to general settings. We can connect our Facebook directly. So if you are using this, you do not need to copy the code. When you click on Facebook Connect, it will automatically connect the Facebook that has been logged in from here. So it is done automatically. But now we are just going to use our manual setup, which is just to input the code here. Now this is where your code is. It's showing that your code is at the head of your page, and you can set it at the footer, but we'll leave it at the head. So we have to go back and copy our ID, and that's our ID. So you copy that is just the testing, and you paste it here, and you turn all this advanced tracking, enable, and all that. You turn them all, view product, add to cart. This, if you have a WooCommerce plugin detected, this website is actually an e-commerce website, so we have a WooCommerce plugin attached. So what this means is that it shows you what these people have done on your website, people who viewed your product, people who added your product to cart, people who actually got to the checkout, and people who added their payment info, people who actually made purchases, or people who completed your registrations. So once you are done with all this, you just save it, and as you can see, your pixel is now active. So let's go back to our business manager and test the event. So now we are going to include the website and test if our pixel is firing well. So this is open the website. So this is just a naked website that we have going on. Nothing serious actually going on here, but as you can see now, it shows that your pixel is working well. So anybody who comes on this page, who lands here, is being tracked and noticed. And also, to be able to get your full settings, or to get a proper data collection, you need to add an extension called Pixel Helper. So you just have to type Pixel Helper on your Google and search it for Chrome, and this is it. You just click on that and add the extension. I already have it added, that's why you can see remove. So when you have it added, it will show at the top end of this somewhere here. As you can see, that's mine. So it lets you know that your pixel is working perfectly. So that is how you set up your Facebook pixel and track and collect data of potential clients. I hope this video helps you. I hope you find it very, very valuable. Thank you for watching. My name is Good Noel. I will see you soon. Bye bye.